My beautiful people, hi guys. Look, I just got this wig. My beautiful people, I just had to make this video. I ordered this wig, okay, from the company Unice, as you can see. All right, and it came with this beautiful pink bag, y'all, and it matches perfectly with my outfit. So I was like, okay, I need to make a video. All right. Like how cute, like how adorable is this? Like, okay, this is like my first time ordering a wig that comes in a bag like this, okay, from Unice Wig. Send me my check. Send me my check. I'm going to install this piece. I'm gonna make a video where I install this piece, okay? Like it's so super cute, guys. Okay. Okay, it comes with a wig cap also, but I'm loving this tote bag. And okay, I'm going to open this for y'all to see. I'm going to open it. Woohoo! There it is, y'all. My new friend, or should I say our new friend? I'm super excited, y'all. Here it is, here it is. Okay. I can't wait to install it for y'all to see. All right. Okay. Unice, send me my check. Okay. Okay, Unice Hair. Send me my check. You guys, I don't know if you should get it yet. Let me install the wig and I'll let you know my honest opinion. But I just love this tote bag. That's why I was like, okay, I have to come out here and show my beautiful people this, okay? So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned when I finish installing the wig. Okay, y'all, I cannot wait for me to be partner. Okay, I claimed, I put it out there. I can't wait to be partner. Okay, to be in partnership with a wig company. Okay, that's like one of my dreams.